Hello, you're very welcome to this video in our series on Unit 4 for Leaving Certificate Business. And in this video today we're going to look at the different types of insurance available to households, so different types of household insurance. Somewhat similar to what we looked at in the video on business insurance, however, that's for an actual business. This is for individuals like us living in our own day-to-day houses. So, the first type we're going to look at is house insurance, very similar to the buildings and contents insurance we looked at for the business, in that it covers protection against loss if you have damage caused by fire or storm or anything like that. But the difference with this is this covers both the building and the contents that you list in it. So, for example, furniture, appliances, or whatever in the house as well. Okay. Next was motor insurance, which we've looked at before. And as we know, this is a requirement by law. So any personal cars or vehicles you might have, you're required to have at the very least third-party insurance on it. We also looked at the other types of insurance policy, motor insurance policies, third-party fire and theft, and comprehensive insurance policies as well. So if you're not sure of those, look back at the video on business insurance for more on them. Mortgage protection insurance is literally just as it sounds. It's a requirement that all lenders, before they approve a mortgage being a loan to buy a property or a house, that all lenders before they lend the money that they get mortgage protection insurance. Basically protects against the risk of a person who takes out the mortgage passing away before the mortgage is paid back. So if they pass away before the mortgage is fully paid, then the bank or the financial institution giving the mortgage would have the remainder of the debt paid by the insurance company. Next up we have is the health insurance. You might be familiar with this private health insurance. Basically, if you have private health insurance and you have experienced a serious injury or an illness, then you get private health care. Income protection insurance is exactly as it sounds, and it's somewhat related to the previous one. If you become sick or injured or are incapable of working, and if you have income protection insurance, then you will receive payment for a set period of time, a replacement income for an agreed period of time, whatever you have in your policy. Next up we have is life assurance. Okay. Life assurance then is protection against a risk that is guaranteed to happen. So insurance is a risk, protection against a risk that might happen. Assurance is a risk that's guaranteed to happen. Can you think what that type of risk could be? Well, death is pretty much the only thing we're guaranteed in life, I'm afraid. So in the event of death, the policyholder, the insurance company pays a lump sum to a named person that the deceased person wants to pass on the earnings. So usually it's like your next of kin or partner. Okay, there's three main types of life insurance. That's whole life assurance, endowment life insurance, and term life assurance. So whole life assurance then is pretty much as it sounds. This policy requires the person insured to pay an annual premium for the rest of their life from when they take it out. But the compensation is only paid after the death of the insured person. Okay. Endowment life assurance then is paid out when you reach a certain age, so it's for a set period of time. Okay, so let's say for example if I take out endowment life insurance until I'm 60, basically I keep paying until I'm 60 years of age. If I die before that, then the assurance company pays out, and if I don't, then at 60 years of age I get an agreed lump sum then as well. Term life insurance then provides cover for an agreed period of time, so for example 20 years, but there's no lump sum paid out at the end of the time period. So compensation is only paid out if you pass away within that time frame. Okay, so that brings us to the end of this video. We learned about the different types of insurance available to households. If you have any questions, ask below in the comments, and if you enjoyed the video, give it a like, and please of course subscribe to the channel. It's button in the middle of the screen. Thanks very much for watching, see you in the next video. Bye now.